Hi, welcome to another introductory video on Microsoft Excel. Now, in our previous video, we shared with you the basic environment of Microsoft Excel, looking at the menu items and options you have to work with on the ribbon. Now, in today's video, we'll look at some other things such as your name box and the formula bar and their purpose. So your name box is this little box right here, this little text box that actually shows to you the cell that is currently active or in use. So if I should notice currently the cell I have clicked on here is cell A1. Usually we refer to a particular cell which is the intersection of a column and a row. So this is column A here, and this is row 1. So your name box will always show you the active cell, which is once again the intersection of a column and a row. In this case, intersection of column A and row 1. So if I should change, notice as I change or click in any other cell, that you see different cell address. This is what we call a cell address here. F9 is the cell address currently because I'm currently in this column, which is column F, and this row, which is row 9. Okay, so that is your name box. Another thing we want to look at here is the formula bar, which is right here. Now your formula bar usually shows you a formula that you have entered. So let's say, for example, I have two numbers here, 150 and 300, and I would like to find the formula. Now this is usually how you enter a formula. So I'm just going to add these two numbers. I'm going to say equal sign followed by the name of the cell address containing 150, which is A1, plus the name of the cell address containing 300, which is B1. And notice that is highlighted here in different colors to show you that. So notice once I type the formula in, that you're now noticing in your formula bar, you're also seeing the formula for the calculation we have here. Once you press the enter key, you will see the result. And your formula bar, if I should make this cell C1, which contains the formula, the active cell, you now notice in your name box you're seeing that, but also in the formula bar you're seeing the formula of the actual value that is given here in C1. Alright, so that is all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it helped you. And please remember to subscribe and also to make a comment, and you can like the video as well. Thank you for watching.